I got this Roadtrek Sparetire Lock. It's already replaced with this new circular thing. I show you how you open this thing here, then you open it there. That's open position. Now you lock, you hook up right there. Alright, that's pretty much tight, guys. Twist, lock. Now solid. It's not gonna go anywhere. Tight. There's no play. Alright, guys, pretty much good to go. Now no more old lock, so it's not gonna go anywhere, guys. It's pretty solid. That's lock. I'm happy with this $5 lock with a new key. You get a new key right now, popular 190.